Feeling stuck? Prompting can feel confusing and intimidating at first, like you're staring at a blank page with no idea where to start, unsure what even counts as a good question. But it doesn't have to be complicated at all. In fact, the simpler you make it, the easier it becomes to get useful results quickly. Treat the AI like a curious 10-year-old who asks lots of questions and wants clear, simple, and direct answers without any extra fluff. Use simple words and short sentences. Clear questions lead to clear, useful answers every time, without unnecessary confusion. Break your ideas into small, manageable pieces so nothing feels overwhelming or hard to explain. Think visually. Imagine the answers as pictures, diagrams, or little doodles in your mind that are easy to understand at a glance. Don't overcomplicate things. Less is more, and simplicity actually works better than trying to sound smart or technical. Ask one question at a time, instead of cramming too many ideas into a single prompt that becomes messy and unclear. You can experiment freely. Mistakes or wrong answers are just steps toward better understanding, not failures. Each prompt teaches the AI exactly what you need, bit by bit, helping you refine your thinking as you go. Visual cues help you understand even complex ideas more quickly than words alone, making learning faster and easier. Keep the process playful. Curiosity and experimentation matter more than getting everything perfect on the first try. Confidence grows when you see simple results appear right in front of you, proving that your approach is working. Prompting isn't magic. It's really just structured curiosity combined with clear and simple thinking. Speak simply, imagine visually, prompt clearly, and remember, prompting is easy, actually. You've already got everything you need to start right now.